MXN10 is our compact music streamer, bringing high-resolution streaming to any system. With its half-width design, it fits seamlessly into any space, giving you full control over your library of music. I'll show you how to get it set up. In the box, you'll find your MXN10, a power cable, 2 antennas for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and some documents including a quick start guide. Let's get it set up. First, screw the antennas into the terminals on the back, then connect MXN10 to your amplifier. Here we're using our AXA35 integrated amplifier, but you could also pair it with something like our MXW70 power amplifier or DAC Magic 200M DAC, depending on how you like to listen. Finally, plug in the power cable and turn it on. For most people, Wi-Fi will be the easiest way to connect. Just make sure MXN10 is in range of your router, then download our StreamMagic app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. The app will guide you through the process in a few taps. If you prefer, you can also connect directly to your router with an Ethernet cable. This gives you a more stable connection than Wi-Fi, which can be especially useful if your router is close by or your wireless signal isn't that strong. Once connected, you're ready to stream. There are loads of options for playing music on MXN10. The StreamMagic app supports Spotify, Tidal, Qobuz, Deezer, Amazon Music and Internet Radio. Sign in once to the services you use, then tap the Library tab, choose what you want and hit play. You can also use Connect services like Spotify Connect and Tidal Connect.
And now featuring Qobuz Connect.
And with Apple AirPlay 2 and Chromecast built in, you can play from Apple Music, BBC Sounds and many other apps on your phone, tablet or laptop. MXN10 also works with Google Home, AirPlay and Roon, so you can sync music across multiple rooms. Bluetooth is on board too, so if a friend wants to share a track, they can connect their phone in seconds, or just plug in a USB drive with their music. You can even program the front panel buttons with your favourite stations or playlists for instant access. Before you forget, register your MXN10 on the Cambridge Audio website. You'll get exclusive offers and easier support if ever you need it. And that's it. You're set up and ready to stream. Happy listening and check out our other videos to learn more.